welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I want to introduce my two canvas bag. One is Hermes Herbag Zip 31 and the other one is BALMAIN B-Bus black and beige tone. So I really like this canvas bag because it's so versatile, and then I can match with any kind of casual, even up and down, dress up and down. So I just love it. So when I was buying this new BALMAIN bag, I was thinking about my Herbag. I mean, I didn't forget about my Herbag. I love, this Herbag. This is like everyday bag. But since I added this one, I can, use sometimes black or gold. So I just love both. But as you can see, the size is different. So you can check quickly how does it look like. Yeah, I will show you very quick. So yeah, I can tell which one is heavier, which one is like more versatile, or like how about what it fits. So yeah, we can quickly check together. So as you can see, the BALMAIN B-Bus, this black trimming, beige canvas bag. It has a BALMAIN signature, kind of vintage look, even though it's new. Yeah, I love it, and also I like this B gold tone hardware. It has more like decoration, I would say, many things going on, but this one is very simple. So you can pretty much match with any kind of style. But BALMAIN, I love it, but maybe it might be limited to match with some clothes. But since it has like beige canvas here, it's gonna be pretty easy to match. Yeah, so let's see. So the top part is all beige tone canvas, as you can see. But when you see inside, this side, inside the top, it's actually made of leather, black color. But the lining of the bag, it's not leather. Inside is leather, but the lining itself is cloth, black color cloth. And the top part here, it's interesting that it's not same material as inside. This one is leather, so I like it. How about Herbag? So Herbag, the body is all canvas, but the top part is leather. But this leather is very sturdy. Actually, it can get easily scratched. I just love the look. And when I tried to hold both bags, actually I thought Herbag could be more really heavy. But when I hold, okay, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, it's like same weight, I would say. I'm surprised. I thought this, the Herbag has this metal bar all the way to the inside. So I thought because of this, it's very heavy, even though it's okay to hold every day. But this one also have a lot of things going on, metal decorations. So maybe that's why, like here even, So yeah, let me close this. I want to talk about the bottom now. The bottom is like this. I'm gonna put the length later, but when you see the bottom, see the Herbag Zip 31 is how big it is. It's like 3 inch more than BALMAIN B-Bus bag. And this is everything is canvas. The body is basically everything is canvas. There's no metal except this bar. The body part is like lighter, to be honest. But this one, many things going on, like metal and then leather trimming all over here and there, and the bottom is all leather. So I like this part. And also it has 4 feet. It's very easy to put anywhere. It's not gonna get dirty easily. So I really like that way. So when you see the side, the width is almost same. I like that way because I like pretty much like wide one so that I can put many things. Yeah, and the top handle, Herbag has this is just a round kind of leather handle, but the B-Bus inside is leather here. But this side is canvas, same tone as body. I really like that way. You can see, a little bit of different look. And the back side, both back has pocket, but this one has a zipper, so you can put things and clothes. Pretty much big. But this one, just you can put like, I would say cell phone gonna fit vertical way, and the card, some card gonna fit, I think. Yeah, so both has like pretty much similar look and functionally it's gonna be like pretty much same space. So I really like it. And let's see inside then. It's a little bit hard to open and close. Like you can put this handle first. And this one, you need to be careful. Yeah. Like this way. And the inside, there's a one pouch connected with leather strap, and inside is just like this. There's a key here. It's very light actually, and easy to use, and put everything. It doesn't get dirty easily than I thought. But when I close, I just close this part and a little bit fasten this side, and I pretty much use like just like this. But it looks still good. Yeah, I'll show you a little bit later, motion quickly. So this one, you can turn, lock, open, so simple. And as I told you, this side is leather, but the lining is cloth. And there is one zipper pocket and also slot here. You can put like card here, but you can put something essential, important thing, and close the zipper. It's very spacious inside. Like Herbag, almost same, I would say. I really like this. I think canvas bag is like daily bag, and if you have like a little bit different tone, different detail like these two, sometimes you can match with like black theme, like outfit like this, more casual style. But this one you can use for dress up style. So let me show you more shot. So which one is your favorite style? If you like canvas bag, please check both. Herbag zip, beige and then the gold tone top, and BALMAIN, black leather trimming, and the beige canvas, B-Buzz, Herbag and B-Buzz. Which team are you in? So I do fashion, lifestyle in LA. If you like my channel, like this kind of fashion or like luxury or any lifestyle in LA, please subscribe and give it a thumb and turn on the notification. Bye, see you soon.